Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. A little disclaimer, if you do things exactly the way I do it and I make a mistake, yeah, watch it first. But anyways, I got something rad today to show you. Check this out. This is Cup Noodles Dark Dragon. Check that out. Salsa negra, or wait, sabor salsa negra y limon. So it's like dark broth and it's lemony. So yeah, let's make this. It's got a little spicy meter. I've actually had this already. I did a mukbang. You might have seen it. You might have seen this. You might know me from my mukbang, but yeah, it's good. I really liked this one, and I'm particularly hard on cup noodles because a lot of the time they just are meh. But this one I really liked, and I gotta say these varieties from Mexico just keep wowing. You know, they're really good. So let's pour in. I microwaved up some water. Nice and hot. There. And we got 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Alright, and we'll put, I gotta have a fork right here. Yeah. Put a fork on top there. Oh boy. So let's see, what have I been doing today? I woke up. When I talk to my son Andy every day, it's like, well, what'd you do today, dude? He's like, well, I woke up. It's like, awesome. That's a good way to start your day. If you don't wake up, you kind of don't end up having a day. So, but yeah, I woke up. And I had 3 reviews ready to go, but it just didn't work out this week, so I'm doing them all today. And, let's see. Started working on a chocolate break video, and then it's time for Miles to go to summer school. So after he got on the bus, Mimi and I took off. Oh yeah, and I did 10,000 steps worth of apartment laps. So that was cool. Before we left, and then we walked a ton, and now, yeah. So here I am. And what else? My wife's home. All is well. Happiness everywhere. And these noodles are good. I don't know, I'm kind of at a loss. It's been a little while since I've been doing these videos on the reg, you know, so it's like, but we'll get back to the regular swing of things. What is today? It's Wednesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, yeah, I'll probably get another 6 in, so I should be able to get 9 varieties reviewed this week. And that's the goal. I might have to do video editing tomorrow. I'll have to do video editing tomorrow. Crap. So yeah, we'll see. But got a bunch of good stuff lined up for you. I have so many noodles that need reviewing that are awesome that there is no end to the reviewing action here, folks. It'll be a lot of yeah, it's gonna take a while. Anyways, and we are down to a mere 14 seconds. So yeah, thanks to the folks at Nissin Mexico for shooting these over. You guys are awesome, and you guys make some really tasty stuff. So I'm jazzed on that. See if I can do these some justice. And yeah. Note, don't what I just did, I just cooked this, or steeped these noodles. See, this isn't the time to go give them to a 4-year-old, 3-year-old, 2-year-old, 1-year-old. No. In fact, as an adult, I know that if I started eating this right this second, I would burn the crap out of myself. So don't give it to kids. It's really, really logical. I mean, look, it's a foam cup that holds in heat. That's the only reason they use foam, okay? Yeah, it's noodle time. But yeah, I won't be giving my 2-year-old girl this little foam cup right at the moment, even though it is noodle time. Yeah. Pour this in here. I've been asked before, why do you do that? It's basically because it makes life easier, less mess. The only thing that's on the stove right now is water, so that's okay. Here, let's get up and personal. There you go. So notice the broth is rather dark. The noodles are round. And let's give it a little tasty taste. I've had this already, but maybe I can expound. The texture is really nice. It's definitely got a lemony hit, a nice level of spiciness. It's good. And what I've noticed before in this one, there's bits of TVP that are kind of like chicken. So I thought I would kind of go with that theme. So bring out our friend, Rotato, and put a bowl on top. Let's look down. There we go. Alright, so let's pull our noodle in. And today we've got some baked chicken. Thought that would be a nice accompaniment. So here's some chicken. And some chicken. Oh, you know what I should put in here? I think all we got is mozzarella. Although that is kind of akin to a cheese that they use a lot in Mexico. If it's open, I might use some, you know. Call me crazy, but yeah, we can do better than that. Let's see. I'm going to add some low moisture, part skim mozzarella cheese. I can't remember what kind of cheese it's like, but and you might think, dude, whatever, you just don't have anything else to put in there. You might think that, but I have a lot of weird stuff that I could put in this, you know. Don't get all up in my teeth. Well, I think I'm going to use a little bit of spring onion and something that I use all the time that makes everything happier. There's some crispy onion. Yeah. Some red pepper flake. And finally, a little tiny bit of chili garlic Cholula. There we go. And I think we're good. So, with that, I'm gonna let the tunes groove you and let good old Rotato make this a happening. So, alright. Alright, well, yeah, again, thank you to the folks over at Nissin, Mexico for shooting this over. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one, and bye.